In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page on Wix website. Quick and easy. Let's jump straight into the editor so you can follow along on your own Wix site. I'm going to assume you're already logged into your Wix account and you have your website open in the Wix editor. If you're still in the Wix dashboard, just click the Edit Site button for the site you want to work on, and that will bring you into the editor view. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top of the screen where you can see the current page name. In most cases, it will say Home. Right next to the word Home, you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow lets you open the list of all the pages currently on your site. Go ahead and click that little arrow beside Home. When you click the arrow, a drop-down panel will appear, showing the different pages that are already part of your website. Here, you can switch between pages, reorder them, or manage them. For what we want to do, look for the option that says Manage Pages, and click on that. Clicking Manage Pages opens a panel, usually on the left side of the screen, that lists all your site's pages in one place. This is your main hub for controlling what pages you have, what they're called, and how they appear in your menu. Take a second to notice the buttons here, because this is where you'll come back anytime you want to add, delete, or rename a page. Now, to create a brand new page, find the button that says Add Page. It's typically at the bottom of the list or near the top of the panel, and it may have a plus icon. Click on Add Page. After you click Add Page, Wix will show you different options for the type of page you want to create. You might see pre-designed layouts, but for full control, choose the option called Blank Page. Go ahead and click on Blank Page. Wix will now add this new blank page to your site and open it in the editor. From here, you can start customizing it. Change the page name, add text, images, buttons, and any other elements you need. Remember, you can always go back to Manage Pages later to rename the page or adjust its position in your site's menu. And that's it. You've just created a new page on your Wix website using a simple, clean blank page as your starting point.